Mga kabida, isang magandang oras sa lahat at welcome po sa aking channel. Pag-usapan po natin ito hong nakakabiglang desisyon po ng Court of Appeals dito ho sa acquittal ni dating DOJ Secretary at Senator Leila de Lima, mga kabida. Sa halip na i-uphold yung desisyon po ng Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court na i-acquit ito hong si de Lima, pinawalang visa po ng Court of Appeals. At dahil dyan, ibinalik po yung kaso, mga kabida, sa korte. Eto, babasahin po natin itong balita mula sa The Manila Times. Actually, posted po ito, mga kabida, kahapon po, May 15, 2025. Ang kanila pong headline ho dito, Court of Appeals overturns ruling acquitting de Lima, orders new proceedings on drug case. Ayan, malinaw po yung headline po, mga kabida. Ito, babasahin ko po yung kanilang balita. The Court of Appeals nullified the acquittal of former Senator Leila de Lima and her co-accused Ronnie Pasilok Dayan in a controversial illegal drug trading case, ruling that the trial court committed grave abuse of discretion in dismissing the charges. The decision revives a legal battle that has spanned nearly a decade and centers on allegations linking de Lima to drug operations in the New Bilibid prison during her tenure as Justice Secretary. In its ruling, the appellate court found that the Regional Trial Court of Muntinlupa failed to provide sufficient legal and factual jurisdiction for clearing de Lima and Dayan last year. Yung pala yung naging ground po, mga kabida, kung bakit po ninalify at ginawang void yung acquittal verdict ng RTC Muntinlupa dito ho kay dating Secretary Leila de Lima. Okay? Kasi ho, kulang-kulang po yung kanya hong desisyon dito, mga kabida. Eto pa. The lower court had based its acquittal largely on the recantation of a key witness, former corrections official Rafael Ragos, who withdrew the testimony claiming he delivered drug money to de Lima. However, the Court of Appeals determined that the trial judge did not properly examine whether Ragos' recantation was credible or how it affected the overall witnesses. Ayun. Yung pagkukulang po doon po sa huwes na naglitis po sa kaso ni de Lima, mga kabida. Kulang-kulang yung kanya hong acquittal verdict, Hindi daw niya in-examine yung recantation daw ni Ragos. Okay, kung paano ang effect ho nito sa overall evidence po, mga kabida. The appellate justices emphasize that judicial decisions must clearly explain their reasoning under the Constitution. They noted that the RTC's ruling lacked analysis of other prosecution witnesses and did not specify which elements of the drug trade or drug trading charge remain unproven. This failure, the court said, amounted to a violation of due process that rendered the acquittal legally void. Crucially, the Court of Appeals rejected argument that reopening the case would violate double jeopardy protections since the original acquittal was invalid. The justices ruled there is no legal barrier to reconsidering the charges. The case will now return to the Muntinlupa Court for fresh proceedings. Ayon, balik sa Muntinlupa RTC po, at balik yung kanya hong kaso po doon, mga kabida. So yun po, ang naging desisyon po ng Korte Suprema, although hindi ho binanggit po dito kung ano po yung magiging estado po ni former Senator de Lima, kung siya po ba ay ibabalik sa kulungan, considering yung kanya hong kaso sa RTC po ay non-bailable offense po yun, mga kabida. Eto, meron pong magandang explanation. Ito hong si Attorney Reyes del Rosario po, mga kabida, Eto po. meron pong pag-dissect ito hong si Attorney Del Rosario sa naging desisyon po ng Court of Appeals. Okay? Posted po ito mga kabida 3 hours ago sa kanyang Facebook account. Ano? Ang kanyang title po dito, Dissecting the Nullification of De Lima's Acquittal. Ito po. The CA did not find De Lima guilty. It did not question Rago's recantation and introduce new evidence. What the court said is, the trial judge did not properly explain why he acquitted her. According to the CA, the judge's ruling lacked key legal details. Ayun. Okay? Number 1, he did not specify which part of Rago's testimony were retracted. Number 2, he did not explain how those retractions affected the overall case. And number 3, he did not clearly state which element of the crime the prosecution failed to prove. So, sa madaling salita po mga kabida, kulang-kulang yung kanyang verdict, yung kanyang desisyon ho dito. Ano? Kaya nasilip po ng Court of Appeals, nang nireview po nila ito hong acquittal decision po ng RTC Muntinlupa, mga kabida. Eto, patuloy po tayo. Because of this, the Court of Appeals nullified the acquittal not because it disagreed with the outcome, but because the reasoning was incomplete. In short, it was a procedural shortcoming. The case has now been sent back to the lower court for proper review and explanation. Ayan. What this means? Anong ibig sabihin dito mga kabida? Leila De Lima is not convicted. Ito po, yun yung malinaw po. The decision does not restore the charges automatically or say that she is guilty. It is a legal technical issue which how the acquittal was written, not the facts of the case. The case will be reviewed again by the lower court, which can still decide to acquit her with a more detailed explanation. So para bang panibagong proceedings and then explanation and then decision po, parang ganun po ang magiging outcome po mga kabida. Importantly, Leila De Lima will not be rearrested or detained because of this. Her acquittal remains enforceable. The legal process continues, but her status as a free individual remains unchanged unless a new arrest order is issued, and that has not happened. Ayun. So malinaw po, kahit po ninalify po mga kabida, okay, void yung acquittal decision po ng RTC Muntinlupa dito ho sa kaso po ni De Lima, hindi ho ibig sabihin na ikukulong po ito aarestuhin muli at ikukulong po mga kabida ito hong si De Lima. Ang mangyayari na lang po dito is, so since ibinalik po ang kaso, i-review muli ito mga kabida ng korte at doon po sa kanyang magiging desisyon kung acquittal man po, aasahan po natin na detailed na po yung explanation po niya, mga kabida, specific na po yung kanyang desisyon dito po sa acquittal verdict po ni dating Senador Leila De Lima. So, status ko po, si De Lima po ay mananatiling malaya, while the case is being reviewed, okay, by the Regional Trial Court ng Muntinlupa po mga kabida. Marami hong nabigla ho dito sa decision po ng Court of Appeals, mga kabida. Kasi ang inakala po nila, balik kulungan po itong si De Lima, dahil null and void yung kanyang acquittal ng Muntinlupa City Regional Trial Court. So aabangan po natin ito hong reopening po ng proceedings dito ho sa kaso po ni De Lima, yung kanyang drug trade case dyan po sa Muntinlupa City. Ang tanong po dyan kung meron pang penalty, papatawan ba ng penalty ito hong judge na nagkamali sa kanyang desisyon, mga kabida, dahil kulang-kulang po yung kanya hong desisyon, mga kabida. So let's find out, kasi wala kong sinabi po ang Court of Appeals kung papatawan po ba ng penalty ito hong o isa-sanction ba itong huwes na naglitis ho sa kaso po ni Dilima diyan po mga kabida sa Muntinlupa City. Alright? So para po sa inyong opinion at pananaw patungkol dito mga kabida, please comment down. Sa mga hindi pa po subscriber sa akin channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click all para updated po kayo sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat mga kabida.